Okay, boys and girls, it's March 20th, 2008, the beginning of the NCAA tournament. Leader row is about ready to start, I guess you could call it a trick here. No one ever said the man was normal. Oh, there he is!
How was that one? Lee, how was it? How was it, Lee? He says no more, ladies and gentlemen. He accomplished the trick. He's done it. He may have broken something, but then again, it is the beginning of the NCAA tournament. Lee sounds off.